sleeping out? Not sleeping. Homeworks are done.
Yes.
All of you. Also done the homework, sit down. One is copy on the. How many sums you done? 10 sums. You?
Some 7.
7 done there. How many sums are done? 10. Where? One day. Standard day. How 10 is coming? Sunday you had a. So,
Yes, sir.
so Sunday exam is there mean? Sunday your exam today. How many sums you are supposed to do? 50. You did how many? Standard. You did how many? 12 standard. You did 80 standard. You started then now. Friday you are present. Then, so Friday you are present. So how many sums you are supposed to do? Array, what is this array? So Wednesday will be count down. So, Angel did not explain properly. Yes, Angel. Huh? How many questions we are supposed to do? Done. 50. We have done 50. Why? How many are done? 50. How many are done? Why 14? 1 50. How many are done?
70.
Huh?
70.
70. You? 11 are there. What is this half? There is no half and half. Okay. Who's that 20? You only arguing with me. Why? Why not? Huh? What she's telling? You know, counting, you know. When did you last lecture you attended? Wednesday onwards she count. I will teach you counting. Do you know Wednesday onwards how many days are there? How many days are there? So 18 is enough. Now now 20. So Wednesday onwards count the number of days. 5. Array, how many? Wednesday, so there are 5 days, 15, 5 5 are 25, so you're done. So that means then why you have to argue? See? You have been Friday, you're asking? Then? Tell you, hello, stand up. Tell your friend in a day how many sums you are supposed to do? 5. So how many sums you had to do? Wednesday, she was up on Wednesday. Thursday, count. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. How many days? 5 days. 5. Huh? What? This is okay. Wednesday is homework variant. So Wednesday. So tell now, I'll count you. I'm counting and teach you. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. How many days to go? So 5 5 are 25 now. Now I have to write all the things and I count that for you. And then after the count, why not, how, why don't you? Sunday exam is not need to be. Sunday you have a good exam. How many sums you have done? And so 15 you are supposed to do. How many sums you have done? 10. How many sums you have? 12. So 3 more still spending. So balance based sum. Did you explain to her what how many sums you are supposed to do? So you told her to do this. Is it the work was given to you? Daily how many sums you have to do? Arya, and you, what is your problem? Arya? Before only, there is no some other chapters. And what is your 11 and a half? Half, no time to do half question. No. Complete everything. Why you are asking on Saturday, Friday? Birthdays, all birthdays will be after now. So birthday was sleeping. Huh? Yeah. Birthday was sleeping day. Then what did you do on Friday? Celebrated, did you call him? You call him, no, we will come to the celebration. Did you call your friend or not? Then what celebration you do? Around eating. Happy birthday. Sit down. You're busy. Busy in what? French. French Revolution. So what is French Revolution? Standard there. Let me know what is French Revolution. Please busy in French Revolution. Do you know what is why French Revolution happened? Because there is no revolution. Sweet. Chalo. Postage all of you learned? No, that also not learned. Actually, you're waiting me to off on the fan. You don't know how to switch on the fan now. So, Avni, stand up. Avni, stand up. See, these are the, what is this? What switch board? These are switches. Okay, these are the 1, 2, 3, 6. This is 1 time. That will be on. Understood? Why you late? Is there any day you have come before time? I never seen you. Homework is done. You stayed, go home here. Why didn't you do the homework? Now why did now? 1 week and switch on? I don't know. One is telling switch on, one is telling switch off. Now my work is switch on, switch off. Those who wanted to do it, finish. Those who want come switch it off. Switches are there. Who asked you to switch it off? Huh? Who asked you to switch it off? Why? Just switch is there. So why didn't you do the homework? I forgot. I will write, please call your parents. Okay? What happened? Yeah. Still 7 questions.
Always, sir, 9 to 10.
9, 10. So copying everything from you only, na? The next term, na? Regularly. What any special problem was there? Huh? Sleeping at home, sit down. Your school exams are over? Huh? When? And July. After that July, there is no exam. You are from which school? Huh? Radcliffe. Anyone is there from Radcliffe? And July, after July, there is no exam. When is the next exam? September. And on July exam, which you got? Full mark. And how much pass? Out of? No, pass also not come. Huh? 30? Out of? So that is no homework doing, na? Good. But I am tired of talking to you. Shouting and shouting. Sarthak started doing something here and there copying. No.
Practicing.
Where is another one more boy? Zoo. What is it? Zoo. Let him come. I'll tell him. Okay. Any doubts or difficulties you have? Any doubts or difficulties anywhere? Any questions you have? Who has a doubt, difficulty? Open day PTM, how many of you attended? I had seen 2 or 3 parents. One parent. You people's parents are not come now. Offline. I hope.
Sunday.
Huh?
Sunday.
Sunday, which Sunday?
This Sunday.
This Sunday over now?
No.
Coming Sunday. Those are open day. Online is not there, means offline. I'll call the parents over here. Okay. School. That is school now. Okay. Dia, I'm telling you. Okay. Where miscellaneous? Which miscellaneous? Page number. Page 97, which question? Who is that? You could, what she's telling? No, you are the first person jumping. No, you could, no, you could. No. Shh. But Sarvesh, what are you telling? Tell loudly. Nothing. How can you tell nothing? Are tell now what is it?
Only axioms and postulates.
Axioms and postulates are coming. She is not listening. Rahu, Siri, what is that? Rahi, Riva, Reva, Rahi. You listen in the class? See, she is telling something. What said? What your teacher said? Are tell the question. What she said? Nothing. Nobody asked this doubt. Today Adi asked the doubt. Yes or no? Yes. So no one explained this one. What is the question? You are sleeping when she was explaining. Read Adya.
In right triangle ABC. Right angle and C. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. C is joined to M and curvature of point B, such that BM is equal to C.
DM and CM are equal.
Point.
Who is that? What happened? What happened? So thank you, very good. All of you clap for her. Then.
Point D is joined to point B. Show that triangle A is congruent.
This is the problem for you. You can see now these two are equal. He is not telling you. These two are equal. These two are vertically opposite angle. Side angle says, are we followed or not? Vatya, AM and DM equal, CM and DM are equal given vertically opposite AMC is congruent to DMB. I asked you, did not tell. And he did this first also.
No, I didn't.
I didn't do.
I did it.
But you did not tell the answer. Okay, say yes. First part you got then. Then I know. I did tell now what else you have to prove. That only. Second, third, fourth part you know. Yes, tell me how do your DBC is 90 degree. Let me hear. Past. Huh? Tell us standard. You said you know now. I will try. Angle DBC right triangle. Yeah.
Angle DBC and angle ACB are co-interior angle, therefore if both angles are congruent, therefore
Both angles are congruent.
Both angles, sorry.
Which two both angles?
ABC and
A
ABC and DCB
are congruent.
Yeah.
Who said they are congruent? ABC and DCB are congruent.
Yeah.
Why? Given or we proved? We can really prove. We can prove. So you're right. We can prove ABC and DCB are congruent. Therefore, they are congruent. What are you telling? This man will get to slap from me. Okay. First, prove, my friend. Can you prove? It's wrong. Your hand. Priyanshi, cheating. Okay. You can prove what? So. And
is equals to basic common side.
Over. And. No way. Okay. Is it AC and AB are sorry, DC and AB are equal? No. Is it AC and AB? So then I will look. Since this first part, from the first part, you will get these two angles are equal. Which two angles? If these two angles are equal? Yes or no?
Yes.
Triangle AMC and a triangle. What was the triangle congruent union? AMC and a triangle BMD. Therefore, by CPCT, these two angles are equal for by CPCT. These two angles are which type of angles? When the alternate interior angles are equal, lines are parallel. Then you will write ACB and DBC are cointerior angle. Their sum is equal to, since this is 90, this is 90. Understood? No. Then what did you tell? Did you follow these two are parallel?
Yeah.
Then if they are parallel, angle ACB plus DBC is equal to 180 degree. Are you followed? Cointerior angles. Since ACB is equal to 90 degree, other part will be equal to 90. So DBC is equal to 90 degree. Are you followed now? Sit down. We can prove, we may prove, we shall prove, it will not be. That is not the reason. Are you followed, Adya? Okay. Third part. Triangle DBC congruent to ACB. Now you can prove DBC and ACB are congruent. How? DB and AC are equal. BC is equal to BC. DBC is equal to ACB 90 degree in the second part. Therefore, by SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, what happens? RHS, you prove it. Tell me. Stand up. How? How? Where is the relationship? AM plus MB is equal to? So, DC? Which two try? The RHS will be. Then, so she said BC is equal to BC. All of you heard now? And DB is equal to AC. Okay, proved. Then, okay. Therefore, by RHS. Oh, very good. Smart girl. This is RHS now. All of you agreed with their RHS? What is this standard there? Do you know what you mean by RHS test? What is the RHS? Right angle, a hypotenuse. Did you prove hypotenuse are equal? What? See? Where did you prove hypotenuse? What is the hypotenuse of these two triangles? What is the hypotenuse of these? Is not. Did you AB and DC? Did you prove they are equal? Then how can you prove these RHS? We only said DB and AC are equal. BC is equal to BC common. Angle DBC is equal to angle ACB 90 degree. Then we said SAS. No, it's RHS. You're okay now. After birthday, your age increased or decreased? That she doesn't know. All seats were eat cake. You only ate. No, that's a problem. You did not eat cake. Mommy did not give a cake. Okay, now there is no RHS. It is by SAS. Therefore, by CPCT, you will get AB is equal to DC. Understood or not? AB is equal to DC. Then, therefore, CM is equal to half of CD. But CD is equal to how much? But CD is equal to AB. Therefore, CM is equal to half AB. Understood or not? This is the part. It's important. When the question this I said it's an important question. It's come in the exam. Nobody bothered to do it. You did surveys? Not done. You thought all homework are done now. You people, one group over here. Anyone has done? Priyanshi, you also? Yeah. French Revolution. She is in French Revolution. You also going to French Revolution. This is not coming in the exam. My dear Sanika, whenever I do, this is not coming. The angle will not come in the exam. No, it will never come in the exam. It will never come in the school exam. Next time also it will not come. I don't know. That time also said it will not come. Okay. Any other problems now? Now look here. When is it? Sanika stand up? When is the school exam? 14th. Okay, so this chapter do it and all the questions do it. Okay. This is from where? What she's saying? I did the mistake. Yes. What is this? Huh?
I just told you anything.
Hey, you be quiet now. Which exercise? Which page? We are not done that one now. We'll come to it. Okay. This one will now copy from someone. Then what? You could not explain now. Then in the exercise, what did you do? Understood or not? Sit down. Why are you standing here? Oh, I said you to stand up. Postulate, look here. Euclid's axioms and postulates learned. It will be there in the exams. We are done exercise 6.5.1. Is there anyone gone through? Look here, all of you have to learn the, hello. Your friend said Euclid geometry is coming. Diya only, no? You're Diya only. Show your face. Remove the mask and show your face. That, okay, you're Diya only. Okay. So do this Euclid geometry. Next class, tell your friend also she has to learn all the axioms and postulates. You learned everything now? No. Krishti, you also got Euclid geometry in the exam. So learn come. Okay. You learned axiom. Exercise 5.1. We didn't do. What she said? Friday in your birthday, we were enjoying your postulates of yours. Okay. She did not bring a chocolate or confused. She's confused. See, all I tell you. We will all buy one chocolate and we do. Okay. Sarthak. Okay, exercise 5.1. Mr. Rohan, read the question 1. Loudly, can you speak little more loudly? Yeah. Yes.
This line can pass through a single point.
Only one line can pass through a single point. Who said that true? Who said that true? Only one line can pass through a single point. True or false? False. False. Why? Reason. There are infinite lines pass through a single point. Understood or not? So second one, who will read? All of you written the answer in the book. Arya, read. Reason. One and only one line pass through two distinct points. Okay. So the third one, Adya. So true. Reason. It is a Euclid postulate. Understood or not? So all of you, not in the text volume to write. In the notebook you cannot write. Tavish, you cannot write in the notebook, no? Okay. Sarvesh.
If two circles are equal, then the radii are equal.
Two circles are equal, then the radii are equal. True or false? Yes. Congruent circles are circles with equal radii. Prishti. Reason. True or false? True. Reason. Huh? Equals axiom. Equals. Two things are things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Understood? The question will come, which postulate, which axiom use. It is axiom 1. Understood all of you? These are the questions that will come in the exams. Okay. Question number 2. Hello. Dia, read the question.
Given definition for each of the following statements, are there other terms that need to be defined first? What are they and how might you define them? First,
Oh.
parallel line.
How will you define? Parallel lines. Do you know how to define two parallel lines? Yes, sir. Yes.
Lines which never intersect.
Lines which never intersect are called the parallel lines. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Then next one. What is, read the question. Perpendicular lines. What is the meaning of perpendicular lines? And speak. Lines which makes angle 90 degree. Lines intersect right angle. These are called perpendicular line. Okay. Third one. Yes. What is line segment? Huh? So lines terminated line segments. Yes. Definite length which has a segment is a definite length with both endpoints. Okay, with starting and end point, you know. Radius of a circle. What is the radius? Diameter is half. That is, then what is diameter you have to tell now? Half circle. Definition of radius is half of diameter. Definition of diameter is double the radius. Priyanshi, radius. Tell what is the radius of the circle? You said half of diameter. Then what is the diameter? 2 into 6. It is full of radius. Very good. Radius is the line segment joining any center to any point on its circumference. Are you followed? What is the radius? It is the line segment for joining center to any point on its circumference. Are you followed? Okay. Then square. You want to tell? Yes. All the sides equal and all the angles are equal to 90 degree. Are you followed? Quadrilateral with all the sides are equal and all the angles are 90 degree. Okay. Over. Done all of you? Yes or no? Then who is the other one? Nobody. Sanika is looking down so that I should not call her. What you're writing? Adya. Read.
Consider two postulates given below. Given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C, which is in between A and B. There exist at least 3 points that are not on the table. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms? Are these postulates
Consistent.
Do they follow from?
Yes. First is, do these postulates contain any undefined terms? I should answer is no. Then yes. Yes, Rahi wanted to tell. Let's tell Rahi. No. Huh? Then what do you want to tell? Huh? These two? Repeat loudly, speak now. She said, did you all follow anything? Did you all follow? I did not follow anything. Okay. Did you all follow? You have followed these two? Posted these? Some weird answer. You cannot hear properly. Arey Rahi, what you said is not clear. Nothing okay. She's getting angry. Yes. Anyone? Priyanshi? Nadia?
They do not contain any item.
They do not contain any undefined. First one. Check. What is the first one? Between A and B. Yes or no? If there is two distinct points, you can draw a line segment joining them. Therefore, there exists at least one. There exists a third point between them. If you given these 2 points, let's say these are the 2 points are there. So, okay, there exists a third point between them.
Yes.
Okay, then what is it? There exists a point between them. That's all.
There is a static 3 points that are.
The third point between A and B. Between A and B, one more statement you have to give such that these 3 points are collinear. So there is no collinearity mentioned now. Okay, understood. Are you followed? Okay, so that is a condition. It is not there exists a this one, the point between A and B such that these points are collinear. Okay, next, what is the second condition is given?
There exists at least 3 points.
There is no, yes or no? They are called what? There exists at least 3 points not on the same line. What is the meaning? They are non-collinear points now. When the 3 points are on the same line, what type of points are they? Collinear point. When the what is the meaning of collinear points? Like how many points? 3 or more points on the same line. So 3 or more points not on the same line means what? Non-collinear point. These are called the non-collinear points. Okay, that is the condition is coming. Okay. Question number 4. Rahi, read the question. Yes. Prove that and explain by drawing this one. Yes, how to prove? You got it. Rahi, you got it? Who all got? Who's that mobile is ringing? There is a, what are the 2 points is given? If a C lies between A and B. Such that AC is equal to CB. What do you have to prove?
It's equal to half area.
Okay, who got it now? Charya got. Arya explain. These are important types. Those who are getting Euclid geometry, yes.
Sir, we have given that AC is equal to BC. So we are gonna add AC plus BC, which is equal to AB.
AC plus BC is equal to AB. Okay.
And then third we choose AC is equal to BB. So we take 2 times.
Again, you are doing AC is equal to BC. So AC is equal to BC is given. Okay, then.
And then we have shown that AC plus BC is equal to AB. Now instead of BC, we take AC plus AC is equal to AB since they both are equal.
After that, you will write AC plus CB.
CB is equal to AB.
Oh,
And AC plus AC is equal to AB.
AC plus AC is equal to AB.
So AC is equal to
AC is equal to AB only error na? Then
then 2AC is equal to AB. And then but we will see AC become half. So AC is equal to half AB.
so you can do instead of this one now. AC is equal to CB now. Adding AC to on both sides. So you will get AC equals are added with equal, the wholes are equal. Therefore, AC plus AC will be equal to AC plus CB. What you did? Adding AC. What you said is correct, but this is better now. That is AC plus AC is equal to AB. That is 2AC will be equal to AB. Then if the two things are equal, then their half also will be equal now. That is dividing by 2. AC is equal to half AB. What is the reason you write? What's the reason? Things which are half of the same thing are equal. Proofs are, if the question comes, you have to write this one. Figure you have to draw. Statement you have to write. Okay, you have to write. Okay, now. So AC is equal to CB is given. AC, adding AC on both sides. Then you write the reason. What is the reason you write? Equals are added with equal. Wholes are, you are writing or what? Yes, to the mind. Okay, therefore 2AC is equal to AB. Then dividing by 2. Things which are equal, their halves also are equal. That is the condition. Yes, Priyanshi, are you followed? Yes or no? Okay. Then Priyanshi, read the next question. So you have to tell that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. These all parts, all of you written in the book. Actually, you started writing only. Hello, this falls true and all. You have to write the reason. You wrote anything so. Where is the proof of this remaining part? These all things written.
No, sir, right.
Reasons you have to write. Sarvesh is writing. Yes, explaining. You wrote. Previous one also written. Aarti wrote. You. Not everything. Two false reasons they written. You have to give the reason. Hello, Rishti, what is the proof of this? Who wrote that? You or yourself. Who done? Or you are taking the what you next level. You are done. Actually, now you are writing. Writing now, false true and all, you have to reason right. You also. Okay, next one. Next, tell. Question number 6. If AC is equal to BD, prove that, sorry, not that, question number 4. C is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Yes, will Priyanshi explain fast. Okay. All okay now? You take that, let us suppose that there are two midpoints for AB. Okay, C and D. Since C is the midpoint, AC is equal to half AB. Since D is the midpoint, AD will be equal to half of AB. Things which are equal to one another, same. What is it? That first postulate.
Things which are
Equal to same. Therefore, AC is equal to AD. If AC is equal to AD means what you can conclude? There is only one. There is C and D will coincide. What is the meaning of AC and AD are equal? It is on C and D are on the same line segment now. You will write since C and D are on the same line segment AD. Same line segment AB. We conclude what we conclude? C and D will coincide. You know what you mean by coincide? Yes. Same. Therefore, there is only one midpoint. Are you followed how to write? Proof you will write. All of you will write. Steps required?
Yes.
Who did you write this one? Let us suppose that there are two midpoints. Did you write that statement? Are you right now? Let us suppose that there are two midpoints for AB. There are two midpoints for AB. That is C and D. Two midpoints for AB. That is C and D. For AB, which they are C and D. Capital C and capital D. Written. Next step, right? Therefore, AC is equal to half AB and AD is equal to half AB. Next time, right? Therefore, AC is equal to AD. Reason you have to write. What is the reason you write? Things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. Things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. Written that also. Next step you write. Since C and D are on the same line segment AB, C and D are on the same line segment AB. We conclude that. What we conclude? C and D coincide. Conclude that C and D coincide. Do you know what I mean by coincide? Overlap. Same point. In C and D are the same points. Okay. Hence, there is only one midpoint. Hence, there is only one midpoint. So exercises are there for you. Are this one?
Yes.
Exercise also is there now. Questions are there. Is it there, Sarvesh? No. For you. You are from which school? Who are the Palbharti people? 1, 2, 3. Only 3. Yeah. Question number 6. What is question number 6? Read.
In figure, if AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB is equal to CD.
AC is equal. Completed? Hold on. Can it explain? Okay. Then Arya read. Arya, can I want to explain? Otherwise, she is going to explain. Okay. Huh? You are explaining, always explaining. Priyanshi wanted to explain. Aj, Priyanshi explain. Arya got something. Okay, read. Acha, hello, tell na. AC is equal to first condition. What is given? AC is equal to BD. Okay. Then next is what is common between them? BC. So we will write next step. We can write AC minus BC will be equal to BD minus BC. What is the reason? Or you can write another way. You can write. We can write AC is equal to what plus what?
AB plus BC.
AB plus BC or AD? AB plus BC. Next step. BD is equal to BC plus CD. Therefore, AC instead of substituting what we get? AB plus BC is equal to BC plus CD. Then equals are subtracted now. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. Why AB equal to CD? You have to write. Equals are subtracted from equals. The remainders are equal. Postulate statement you have to write. So we wrote the steps you have followed. Srinidhi is there. Sanmitra is there. Other two I did not see. Okay. Okay. This you write. This is the given condition we have. Okay. These are the given. Completed all of you? Okay. Next one. Question number 7. Prishti, read. Wait. Tell me. Fifth, why axiom 5 in the list of axioms considered as universal truth? Do you know what is axiom 5? Well, read now what is axiom 5. Where is speed now? Read and find out. So is it a universal truth? Is it universal? Yes. Oh. You.
It says that the boat is bigger than the part. But we know that part is included in the whole and can't be greater than whole. So that's why it's a universal.
Part is included in the whole. Therefore, part cannot be great more than whole. Yes or no? What she said is correct. As you want to tell something, tell her, no problem. Wait, this is true for anything in any part of the world. You read loudly once again. Okay, so who gave this statement? From where you got this statement? School gave. So what she said, it's better, little more better way. Okay. Part is included in the whole. Therefore, part cannot be more than the whole. Therefore, always whole is greater than the part. Are you followed? Okay. She will repeat now. She will write. We know that part is included in the whole. Part is included in the whole. Therefore, part cannot be greater than the whole. Therefore, part cannot be greater than the whole. This man started now. Part is included in the whole. Written HWHOL. Next line. Therefore, part cannot be greater than the whole. Hence, whole is greater than the part. Written, all of you look here. There are two equivalent fifth postulates are there now. All of you take out the two equivalent fifth postulate. Taken? Seven. This is the seventh one done now. Two equivalent postulates, all of you take. What are the two equivalent postulates? Adya read. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. And what is the second one?
Now the distance of a point from a line is the length of the perpendicular from the point to the line. This distance will be the same for any point on M from and any point on L from. So these two lines are everywhere equidistant.
Now listen here. These conditions you have, these are the two equivalent to the fifth postulate. These two parts you have to remember. They will be questioned there in this one, even if those are getting in the postulates and all. You have to, what you have to do means, you have to learn. And next class, I'll ask you to explain this one. What is the meaning? Okay. Now, here in this one, you have basically in this one have MCQs are there. Who has done the MCQs? Somebody has done the MCQs. All of you go through the MCQs and do the MCQs. This chapter will be over and we will start with the next chapter. Which is the next chapter there? Construction. Again, she started construction. We have to start the construction. You only said construction is not doing. You people only said no, construction is not there. Homework part, remaining part complete.